scoop? You scoop?
Wait, what happened in the background? Oh, it took it. Okay, that's weird.
Oh my God, it's Santa! You just respond on social media, so I'm going to tell you where to be when
I'm tied to the cars. Yeah. That's the support. Doing the duty.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, that's it. Saving the day. Time is up.
Sácate una foto con una de las personas más famosas del mundo, la hermana que peleó con Mike Tyson, ese que te sacó la que te sacó tratando.
I know that we might have sent you back. Another day we'll be coming up.
There is a sale race.
That's not mine, man.
Just take a picture.
Of course.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really nice. I came out here about a month ago and did.
Once he hits the end of his rope, he's like, I'm
Thank you.
On YouTube, it's called Popular Triumph.
I was the truck driver.
Oh, just always saying hi, hon, and give her some shit. Oh, no, that's old man. Andre the Giant was my best friend growing up. No, Andre the Giant worked for her father. Yeah, he would not. That's your best friend. Also, another terrible racist. Oh, God. Kind of wish Ben is relevant. Andre was a terrible racist, come to find out. I'm glad we know that.
conseguiste la remera? ¿Ah? Yeah, it rained a little bit.
Here, no expense. I appreciate the sense of the growth.
Ghostbusters, say Ghostbusters! Better look over here!
¿De qué tamaño habías pedido la otra? ¿Para la niña? Sí, grande. No, 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 parece una especie. ¿Vamos a por
This was his second mayoral run. Super he wore when he lost the campaign. And you're flying through that t-shirt. Like, total family.
Now you're on the hook for it. You're gonna have to every year. The wife is already Look at this one. You want to take a picture over there? Okay, Papa.
Come on, Papa.
Good? Yeah.
This day's over.
Because y'all didn't want to bring out water.